today on Kung Fu Maintenance. Just going through preventative maintenance fun. Wow, this one, the hard start kit looks pretty tired. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Okay. Pull this unit and go ahead and check this unit. Just going through preventative maintenance fun. Wow, this one, the hard start kit looks pretty tired here. And my guess is this one's probably out of phase. So we got to discharge the capacitor. Capacitor hasn't charged it after the power is disconnected. This is a 40/5 on these units. correct direction. It's a done deal. Alright. Getting preventative maintenance done today. Alright. Box of old capacitors. Going through them quick. I just put my lid back on and this one's done. Okay. So checking the next one here. This one's a 40/5. I'm going to go ahead and pull this disconnect back. Pull it. And this one's been replaced before. You can see that. But it's a Supco that it was replaced with. So let's take a look. We're going to discharge our capacitor. Capacitor holds a charge in it even after the power is disconnected. Here's our fan wire. Here's the common. Commons. Alright, now we're all disconnected. And here we go, common to Herm. Looking for 40. 39.68, that's good. And let's go common to fan. .92, so that's good. Alright. So we'll see how this does compared to the one I just did. Be a good test. This one tested good. So we'll leave it. And start. Common. Okay. And common. The other hard start kit wire. Alright, we're good there. I'll plug it back in. Plug it back in and we'll test it out. And the other thing we're doing is making sure all the covers are reset properly. Here we go. Oh, beautiful. Fan's going the correct direction. Start it up nice and good. Okay. This one's done. So this will be the test. Come back to them another year and can see how they do the Supco versus the Titan Pro. My opinion's sort of already in on that. I've had just nothing but trouble with the Supcos. But at least this gives like a bit of a comparison point, which is always interesting. A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are, you should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.